Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn HTML. So let's get started with the video. The first tags that we are going to learn are subscript tags and superscript tags. But why are these tags used? These tags are used to display text above or below regular text. What does this mean? I'm going to show you that. Now here, inside p tag, if we write this is awesome, then this text will just come in the regular line. But if we put a sub tag here and then we write this is awesome, then the results are going to be much different. I'm going to show you how. Now here, if you look closely, the second this is awesome is below the first. The text is also smaller. This is because this is in the sub tag. Now the sub tag would just put this text above regular text lining. Something like this. Now again, the font size is smaller, but it is above the regular text. Now the sub and sub tags are used for text that is not very important, but it can be shown in the web page. The second tag that we are going to learn is the pre tag. The pre tag is used to display text without ignoring spaces and displaying text just as it is typed. Now, if we write something in the p tag, with a space or an enter, the enter is not shown. And if we give more than one space, again it is not shown. But if we change it to a pre tag, then the spaces and the enter will be shown like this. Now, pre tag is not that useful of a tag, but it's good to have knowledge. Now, the page layout techniques. From here, we are going to learn some complex tags, but not in their full capacity. The tags like header, footer, aside, article. These tags will not be very visible as to what they can do when I show you the live demo, because these tags are way more complex and are useful only when there are large codes and a lot of designing to be done. Now, we are going to learn the page layout techniques. These are semantic tags used for layout. But what are semantic tags? These tags are tags that you can understand what they do by their name. What does this mean? Like for the header tag, you can automatically understand that it designs the head or the top of the web page. And similarly for the footer tag, you can understand that it designs the foot or the bottom of the web page. These tags cannot be used in small two-line codes, but they can only be properly used when there is a complete web page. Now, inside the main tag. Now, inside the main tag, there are many tags that can be used, all actually. Main tag is somewhat like body, but not completely like it. Again, this is something that cannot be shown, but cannot be shown in small examples, but big full codes. Now, the section tag is used to design a section on your page. Everything inside the section tag will be considered as completely different by the web browser in which you are running your code. I'm going to show you an example at the end of the video. Similarly, the article tag is used to write an article on your page. It's pretty simple, and you might just think that this can also be done by a p tag, but the article tag has some more complex properties that we are going to talk about later on in some other video. The aside tag is used for content aside from the main content, like ads. Now, you won't be seeing any website without ads unless you have the paid subscription. Now, ads, unlike some websites, in most of them, ads are not on the main screen. They are on somewhere else. Like if you see any website, the ad is not going to be on the main screen, but it can be on the bottom, on left, on the right, but never on the main part of the web page. Now, to design those ads, a side tag is used. Now, we are going to revisit the image tag and another property of the image tag as how to create a clickable image. Now, the image tag, as we talked about, is an empty tag, so it does not require the closing tag. There is the src attribute in which you put the link to the image. Now, we are going to learn about how to put the height and width in an image. I'm going to show you that as a live example. Now, first, we are going to see the image. Copy image. Copy image address, and inside brackets we are going to open the image tag. The src attribute, and inside it the image link. Now, as we learned the width, but how to put it? Now, first we use the style, all around attribute for nearly every tag. Now, inside it you have to write width as 30 pixels maybe, and outside after it comma, height as 50 pixels, and then close it. Now, if you open this image, the width and height are set as 30 and 50 pixels. Now, if we want, now one more thing, how to create a clickable image. For that, we also have to use another tag that we learnt about, the A tag. Now, inside the href, just put the link. You can put the link of any web page, but I am going to put it of Google. And after this, inside the A tag of, we will open an image. src, copy this. And close the image. Now, if you load this, then there are two images here. The first one is the normal image, but the second one is a clickable image. Now, clicking on this image leads you to Google. Now, this is how you can create a clickable image. Now, that's it. But today I have a bonus part for you. We are going to learn the table tag and how to create tables in HTML. Now, for creating a table, first of course, we have to open the table tag. Then the table heading, the th. Now you can put any table heading. Let's say name. Now inside this there will be td or table data. Now you can put any name. Now let's open another table name. It's place. But you might ask, will this work? No. Not only this, there is another attribute in table called tr. This is known as table row. Each row should start and end tr as all of the tags inside table is another closing tag. So be sure to close every tag inside the table or it might not work. Now, if we look at this, then here it is, the name. Now this might not look like a table, but there are many other attributes that are required to create a proper table. First of all, we need to write inside it border 1 pixel solid. Now the color will be automatically set to black. And one table row is not going to show much. We need to have multiple to see an actual difference. So Now this looks much more like a table. Now there are many other attributes inside table, but as it was only the bonus part of today's video, we won't learn about it in much detail. In the next video, we will tell in detail about the table tag and its different attributes along with its functionalities. Now that's all from our side in today's video. Hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, be sure to smash the like and subscribe button and stay tuned for more fun coding videos.